students, welcome to the askIITians Biology lectures. My name is Nishtha Gupta and I am from IISc Bangalore. I have been associated with askIITians since past 4 years. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Transport in Plants. So let's begin with the introduction of this chapter. Transport in Plants. Let's begin with the introduction of this chapter. Here I am showing you two images. These images represent the first one, transport of water in a plant, of water, minerals, ions, and second image is representing the process of transpiration. So both these things we will be understanding in this chapter, how the water, ions, minerals move into a plant from the root to the stem till the leaves. Exactly how the process of transpiration takes place in a plant. This all we will be discussing in this chapter. So let's see what are the topics that we are going to cover under the chapter Transport in Plants. So first we are going to discuss the means of transport across cells. If we want to learn how the transport is taking place in a plant, then we have to understand how the transport is taking place in cells, because it will flow from cell to cell in order to reach from the root to the leaf. Then we will be discussing about the plant-water relations. Under plant-water relations we are having osmosis and osmotic potential, turgor pressure and wall pressure, diffusion pressure deficit, also known as DPD or suction pressure. Then we will be studying about the water potential, and at the last, under plant-water relations, we will be having plasmolysis and imbibition. So plant-water relations, we are having 5 subheadings. Then we are having path of water absorption. What path is followed by the water in a plant? Next, we are going to discuss mechanism of water absorption. So this is the mechanism. Then we will be discussing about the factors that affect the rate of water absorption. Later we will be discussing about transpiration and guttation and wilting. And at the end, we will be having video solutions. We will be having question answers over this chapter. So let's begin with the parts of this chapter. So students, this was all about the introduction of the chapter Transport in Plants. We have seen that what topics we are going to cover under this chapter. So let's begin with the lectures.